What could be a more noble cause, both in caring and in science, than to turn back the changes that affect the person and their brain?
The Lou Ruvo Brain Institute has announced a partnership with one of the nation's premier medical institutions.
One of the most prestigious clinics in the world is right here in Las Vegas.
We're a beautiful facility where people can come and feel like they're in a small focus, but we also have this huge support system of the Cleveland Clinic behind us.
The most important thing is the way they've been able to cluster enormous talent here.
More than 5 million Americans live with Alzheimer's. Now there is a new test that can tell if you have it.
We can do a scan and see the constituents, the elements of the brain that are driving disease states.
Things that 5 years ago we wouldn't have thought for a second that we could do, and we're doing them every day.
The Cleveland Clinic Lou Ruvo Center for Brain Health is adding 2 new programs, one for multiple sclerosis and one for Parkinson's disease.
We're just extremely fortunate to have the Ruvo Center open at the time that it did for us.
We're going to continue to find a cure. But until we find a cure, we are making patients' lives better.
Caregivers are the people who have the main interaction with our patients.
We think about who takes care of the caregivers, who's there to support the families. And we've answered that question by saying we are.
It's not just treating the Alzheimer's, it's treating her as a person.
I was able to change the outlook on my life with respect to the impact of Parkinson's.
Ruvo Center for Brain Health is adding a state-of-the-art physical occupational therapy center right on campus.
We're one-on-one, really trying to individualize the care, and to know that we understand gives them a lot of hope.
This architectural masterpiece is home to groundbreaking clinical trials.
If we're going to help patients, we have to do clinical trials.
I'm hoping that that drug is going to slow the progression.
We empower our patients so that they can help us to help them.
You got the top medical knowledge and the research that's going on behind it.
Neuroscientists here in Las Vegas at the Cleveland Clinic are looking at active and retired athletes who have taken repetitive hits to the head.
The Lou Ruvo Center stands poised to drive research not only in Alzheimer's but also in Parkinson's and multiple sclerosis. And that research will benefit the entire world.
Brain disorders, they're a devastation of who the person is, their personality, and how they think.
I'm hoping people will understand how serious this really is. This is an epidemic that is getting worse.
Disease is all about the way it impacts your life, and our response to it has to be about your life.
Finding a facility like this, to me, has been just completely life-changing.